Hello everyone. First of all, welcome all of you in today's video. In today's video, we are going to learn about articles in grammar. So let's start. Here are the topics that we are going to cover in this video. The article, definition of article, types of articles and uses of articles. So let's take one by one. The very first question that comes in our mind, that is, what is articles? So let's see. Articles are words that used before noun and they modifies noun. They define whether something is specific or unspecific. Articles are like adjectives modifies noun. As we all know that adjectives also modify noun and articles are also used to modify noun. Now see what are the types of article. So there are two types of article. First is indefinite article, and in indefinite article we use a and n. Second is definite article, and in this category we take the. So first see what is indefinite article. Indefinite articles indicate that a noun refers to general idea rather than a particular thing. Indefinite articles are first a. It is used before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. And second is an. It is used before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. So we can say a is used with consonant sound and n is used with a vowel sound. Both are denotes to one. Next category of article is definite article. So let's see, definite articles indicate the noun which are specific. As we discussed above that indefinite article indicate the noun which are not specific, but definite article indicate the noun which are specific. It limits the meaning of a noun to one particular thing. Definite article can be used with singular, plural or uncountable nouns. In this category, definite article is the. Now it is clear that articles are of two types. First one is indefinite article. In this category we use a or an, and second one is definite article. In this category we use the. Indefinite article used before the nouns which shows general things. On the other hand, definite article is used before the nouns which shows specific things. इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल का यूज हम वहां करते हैं जहां पर जनरल थिंग्स की बात हो रही हो, एंड डेफिनेट आर्टिकल का यूज वहां किया जाता है जहां जनरल थिंग्स की बात ना होकर किसी पर्टिकुलर और स्पेसिफिक थिंग की बात हो रही हो. Now see the uses of indefinite article. First indefinite article a. Let's talk about a. It is used when the next word begins with a consonant sound, like a book, a table, a clock. But before move further, it is important to know the difference between consonant and vowel. As we all know that there are 26 alphabets, and in among them 5 are vowels and rest are consonant. So 5 vowels are a, e, I, o, u, and rest are consonant. And next indefinite article is n. N is used when the next word begins with a vowel sound a, e, I, o, u, like an apple, an elephant, an umbrella. It means जिस वर्ड के पहले आप आर्टिकल यूज कर रहे हैं उसका जो फर्स्ट लेटर है वो अगर वॉवल है तो उसके पहले आपको आर्टिकल इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल एन यूज करना है. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड अगर आप जो ए आर्टिकल यूज कर रहे हैं तो जिस नाउन के पहले आप ए यूज कर रहे हैं वो जो नाउन है या वो जो वर्ड है उसका फर्स्ट लेटर वॉवल ना होके कॉन्सोनेंट होना चाहिए. So now it is clear that what are the difference between a and n. See it again. Use of indefinite article a. A is used in the sense of one with countable nouns. For example, a cow, a man, a bus, etc. or it is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. It denotes one, and it is used with countable nouns, and it is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. Now let's try to understand where we use indefinite article a. So let's see. First, it is used to tell the rate of anything per. Try to understand by this example. Apples are being sold 20 rupees a kilogram. It means a kilogram means per kilogram. And the next sentence, he gets 1000 rupees in a month. It means a month means per month. B. To describe a proper noun as a common noun. He is a Newton. Newton is a proper noun, name है, but here it is used as common noun. So, a Newton means a great scientist like Newton. Next sentence, he is a Napoleon. Napoleon is proper noun, but here it is used as common noun. Here Napoleon means a great army chief. Article a is used in certain phrases also, like make a noise, all of a sudden, etc. Now see the use of indefinite article an. As we all know that a is used before the nouns, the first letter of which starts with consonant, and an is used before the nouns, the first letter of which begins with vowel. So it is the difference between two. So article an is used in the sense of one, but it is used before the common nouns which start with any vowel. On the other hand, a is used in the sense of one, but it is used before the common nouns which start with any consonant. This is the major difference between indefinite article a or an. For example, an elephant, an ink pot, an umbrella, etc. And it is also used before the words starting with H but giving the first sound of a vowel. For example, an hour. In this word hour, H, the first letter is consonant but it is sounding like vowel. A. Hour मतलब A का sound. So here we use article N. Same is the case with honest. In this sentence, the first letter is consonant, but it is sounding like vowel. So here we use indefinite article N. Before the name of some posts. For example, an MLA, an MP, an SP, an MLA. Let's see. In this sentence, M is consonant, but it is sounding like vowel. So here we use indefinite article N in place of A. Now let's see the use of article the. As we all know that it is definite article, and article the is used before the nouns which have been introduced earlier. ये the article का use हम उन nouns के पहले करते हैं जिनके बारे में पहले बात हो चुकी है. Like the book which you bought yesterday is very costly. In this sentence, the book is a certain book and we already know about that book. And before the common nouns which represent its whole race group. For example, the name is a useful tree. In this sentence, we are talking the whole race of the whole quality of name. Second sentence, the cow is a gentle animal. In this sentence, we are not talking about a certain cow, but we are talking the whole race of cow. The whole race of cow is a gentle animal. These are some places where we use definite article the before the musical instruments, the piano, the guitar, the drums, etc. Some countries, United States, the United Kingdom, etc. Nationalities, the Chinese, the Americans, and also with families like the Guptas, etc. Before the names of rivers like the Amazon, the Mississippi, etc. One of a kind, the moon, the sun, universal things, planets, earth, world, the ocean and the seas, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic, the Mediterranean Sea, mountain ranges, the Alps, the Himalayas, etc. And groups of people also. Before the groups of people also, the young, the old, the rich, the poor. It means the whole race of young, the whole race of old, the whole race of rich, and the whole race of poor. And we use article the before the names of famous books, famous religious books, natural powers, historical buildings, etc. For example, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Gita, etc. These are all the religious books. The sun, the moon, the wind, these are all universal things, or we can say natural powers. The Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, etc. These are all historical buildings. And before the names of newspapers, the Hindustan Times, the Amar Ujala, etc. Before the superlative degree of an adjective. Try to understand by this example. Seema is the best girl in the class. In this sentence, the is used before best. Best is superlative degree of good. He is the strongest boy in the class. Here, strongest is a superlative degree of strong, and the is used before it. This. Now see the uses of article the. It is used before the name of famous books, or we can say religious books, natural powers, historical buildings, etc. For example, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Gita, etc. These are all religious books. The sun, the moon, the wind, etc. These are natural powers, or we can say universal things. We can't change anything in these things. And the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, these are all historical buildings. And before these things, we use always article the. And before the names of newspapers, like the Hindustan Times, the Amar Ujala, the Dainik Jagran, the Times of India, the Hindu, etc. Before the superlative degree of an adjective. Let's see. Seema is the best girl in the class. In this example, best is superlative degree of good. So, we use article the before it. He is the strongest boy in the class. In this sentence, strongest is a superlative degree, and we use article the before superlative degree. And the is also used before is surname to show the whole family. For example, the Guptas are out of station. In this sentence, the Gupta means not Mr. Gupta or Mrs. Gupta. We are not talking individually, but the Gupta means the whole Gupta family. With the ordinals, open the 6 ordinals like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are called ordinals, and before these words we use article the. For example, open the 6th chapter in your book. 6th is here ordinal number, and we use before it article the. He is the first man to go there. In this sentence also ordinal is first, so we use article the before it. In the following comparison, like Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Here we are using Shakespeare as a common noun. Shakespeare means poet like Shakespeare. So in this comparison also we use article. When the is used before the names of the languages, it means they represent the native of related countries, not language. Like English is the language of the English. Here first English means English language. We never use article the but before English language, but last or second, the English means English pupil. So here we use article the because it represents the native of related countries. Now try to comprehend by this table that these are the words, before them we never use any article. Sports, baseball, hockey, etc. School subjects, mathematics, science, etc. Before the languages French, Spanish, English. But if these languages represent the native of their country, we use article the. Name of lakes and bays, name of single mountains, continents, provinces or states, cities, countries, names of streets. So before these words, we never use any article. So guys, practice it more by the exercises. I hope it is clear that what are articles, what are the types of articles, and what are the use of these articles. So thank you everyone.